Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about, is low E, the upgrade, is it worth it? Okay, so let's talk a little bit about when you're looking at new windows and pricing. There are some window manufacturers, or maybe the dealerships themselves, show it to you like this. Here's the window price, here's the low E adder and argon adder. We can package it all together and this will be the total price of the window. The windows that I've ever promoted in the past, for Anlin, when you buy the window, you get the Infinity Glass, which is 3 layers of silver coat low E, argon gas, free. There's no extra charge for it. It's the cost of the window, and you get this free. When you're shopping for new windows and you're trying to figure, okay, do you live in an area where the heat is an issue? Then you're probably a candidate for low E. The thing is if you're looking at windows at this point, it makes me wonder, why would somebody want to replace the window and still basically have about the same performance as they had before, minus better locking systems and slidability, then packaging it up for every event, you know, whether it be cold in the winter and you want it to stay warm, great, add that argon gas. That low E factor is going to have a hand in that. Hot in the summer, that low E coating is going to really help against the heat. Super hot outside, you want it to be nice and cool inside. I would pay the extra, in my opinion, this one time. They're like, well, listen, if you want to get the window, it's $400. If you want to get the low E, and it's $475. Think about it, is $75 really gonna stop the deal, from having the low E coating over clear? Especially with all the benefits that you get from the low E coating. I mean, you think about it from the long term. You buy it once, 5 years down the road, you'll have forgotten how much, what the adder was on your low E windows, but you're still, reaping the benefits of that low E that you purchased 5 years ago. And then argon gas, same thing. Normally, a very great tight warm edge spacer seal, you're talking about the argon gas staying in there for years and years. And that, there's a dissipation rate. We can get into that another time, but dissipation rate, 0.04% over each year, pretty good in my book. These are things that you want to think about: the comfort of your home and the initial purchase. I wouldn't think, in my opinion, that upgrade to have low E, it's completely worth it. Okay guys, hopefully this has helped you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching and make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.